and I'm bringing a little presentation to you guys from D9 Club. This is a company that we are working right now, a company that is showing in many ways the stability and the credibility in the market for us to be working with them, okay? One of the things that the company is keeping, it is saying keeping on the right. So they made a presentation explaining some things that it's very interesting. Okay, I'm not gonna go through every single details because I believe everyone they can go over the presentation and see more details. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep this very short and quick so you guys will have more understanding. All right, right here the company is showing some information about what type of person you are. So if you're gonna be people on the left or people on the right, that's why the company is using the slogan "Keeping on the Right." About employees, large owners of large business, small entrepreneurs or investors. Everybody knows the difference of employee and owner of large business. Employee, they always look for benefits and stability to have their paycheck at the end of every week or end of every month. And owner of a large business, he will be always looking for good system, good team, and working with the right people and people working for them. Those are the differences. And as a small entrepreneur, security, and they will always wanted to do it right, do it yourself. So basically, the little sentence that people sometimes they say it. Oh, if you want this to be done good, do it yourself. As an investor, they make money work hard for them. So they don't work hard. They use the money to work hard for them. I believe we need to keep ourselves to the right, as the company is saying. Then here it's saying about the company, what D9 in a club of entrepreneurs. It is a group of people of broad vision, folks in digital entrepreneurship. We are a community that seeks together provide financial independence, higher quality of life and freedom of schedule for our members and their families. Why is that, people? Because the company is bringing a technique for you to be able to make money, staying at home, watching sports, and enjoying more time with your family. Mission. The company has a mission that is have the mission to train the best professionals inside the trade, in the sports. I don't know if you heard that before. There's the trade market. It's very similar to this department that we are working, okay? It is inside the trade market, but in a sports area, worldwide. We are using the betfair platform, all right? Then we got e-learning. So let me tell you what is this company about. This company is about e-learning. This company is about you learning something on the internet with our company. This company, they're gonna be teaching you how to use the platforms that from Betfair, how to be doing the exchange and using the opportunity inside a game, not just before the game starts like other companies they have. You are working on a trade market, not and just betting. You know, you're not gonna be betting to lose your money. That's not the idea of this company. And the company uses the multi-level marketing to be able to find more students worldwide. So we're gonna be using the multi-level marketing platform to be able to find more people to use our system, to learn with us and to become traders with the company. Trading in sports. It acts as a building and selling prices at certain times of sporting events. It is quite similar to the stock exchange and moves over 100 million per day worldwide. And it is still new to people. There is a huge urge for people to understand the difference on a simple sport bets, trading in sports or sports betting house as Bet365, sportingbet for sports exchange betfair. So, company is going to explain you the difference between betting and using the sports exchange. Okay, right here we have betting houses and sport scholarship. We're going to be working, of course, on the right, keeping on the right. sports scholarship. Betting house. They have basic systems, few opportunities to win. You cannot move bets during the games and profit or losses. You got these two opportunities and that's it. As a sports scholarship, you got a complete system, more resources and possibilities, several purchases and sales of options during the game, and more opportunities to profit. We're not talking about losses, all right? Betfair. Betfair is the platform that we're going to be using. More sports world stock, okay? 100% credibility in the market, easy to use, opportunity bet on a specific outcome. If you want to bet, I believe in this game, in 35 minutes from the second half, this certain team will make a goal. They will score. So you can bet specifically to the outcome that you wanted. And other companies, other trades, they don't let you. So Betfair cover our existing sport events. The odds are function as auctions, buying and selling. So you're going to be able to buy opportunities and selling opportunities during a game, okay? D9 trading sports. Earn money watching soccer. Why watching soccer? Why not watching tennis? Why not watching sports in general? The company, they're very specialized in soccer because the main owner of this company is Brazilian and he understands a lot about soccer. So he uses his experience in soccer to be able to be teaching people the techniques that he knows. But you can use these techniques in other sports as well, okay? Modules with several video lessons, question and answers, monitoring teachers, performance report, certificates upon completion of the course, forum and interaction among students, and D9 Auditorium. D9 Auditorium, nothing more, that is a webinars. Company will have webinars that you're going to be able to be learning more and more with professionals. You're going to be able to participate in the basic groups, all right? That will be teaching you a lot how to deal with things. And basic group as well will give you the opportunity to be having gains inside the trade market between 30 to 150%. So I believe this is amazing. It is a very good profit. And this you're going to do it on your time. You're not going to depend on no one. You're going to be doing these things. But it's very important for you to do the things right so you don't lose money. We don't want no one here to be losing money. Here's some of the examples that the company will be showing you guys how you're going to be able to work with them, be working with the platforms, and the suggestions that the company will be giving to people during the games. If you keep it in, keep it out, how to minimize losses and maximize profits. Compensation plan. Wait a second, Lewis. You told me that this company, it is a e-learning company where I'm going to be learning how to work with trade market. Exactly. So here we're going to be showing you the packages that we have, but at the same time, you're going to be able to receiving profits when you bring other people to the company to buy the softwares and learn how to work with working with the sports trade market. Here we have D9 system bonus. You're going to have direct sales, direct membership, indirect membership, bonus, that nothing more, that is the binary, residual monthly activation, residual team gains, career plan, and bonus DLD9. Here we have the D9 system bonus, start. For everyone to work with the company, they need to purchase the start. This will give you an exclusive back office. You're going to have access to this back office for 30 days when you purchase this package. And you're going to have some other benefits, okay? Every time you purchase a start, you receive 20 points inside your back office. What does that mean? You're going to understand that down the line in the presentation. Because as we have bonifications in this company, they kind of separate some things as points, but points represent dollars, okay? D9 system bonuses. First package, you have Trader Bronze that costs $249, and it represents 85 points inside the company. You're gonna have the back offs, you're gonna have an annual voucher, EAD, you're gonna have annual access software trader for you to learn how to work with this company, and you're gonna have monthly access to advanced group where you're gonna be being able to chat with people and learning more and more. Silver, it's pretty similar, but you got 2 vouchers of annual access, you got 2 vouchers of software traders, and then we have, beside the silver, we have gold and gold plus. So let's be clear right here. On Trader Bronze, you receive 85 points, all the benefits of becoming a student, and you pay $249. As a Trader Silver, you receive 185 points. It costs $499. As a Trader Gold, you receive 340 points. It costs $998. And as a Trader Gold, you receive 340 points as well, but it costs more. You can see pretty much here the Trader Gold and Trader Gold Plus, they're completely similar, but one costs more than the other. And you're gonna understand why. It's because of the compensation plan, of the benefits that the company will give it to you just because you become a student, okay? Here's the direct sales, the vouchers that you receive. You're gonna be able to sell this voucher for people to be able to learn. So you're gonna be able to sell this voucher for $208 and receive this in points and convert these points to dollar, okay? The main focus of the company, besides teaching people, it's the good things. And one of the good things is how much you're gonna receive just because you become a student. If you purchase the Trader Bronze, you're gonna receive 85 points, as I told you in the previous slide. And you're gonna receive, based on this 85 points, 15% per week. So 15% of 85 points, it's $12.75. So let's do the math. If you invest 249, if you get 249, it's saying right here at the bottom, 52 weeks, right? So if we got $12.75 and we multiply by 52 weeks, we're talking about $663 in a year. Then let's talk about now silver. Silver, you're gonna have 185 points and you're gonna receive 15% per week as well. Trader Gold, you receive 340 and you're gonna receive 15%. Let's do Trader Gold. 340 points. 15%, we are talking about $51. Times 52 weeks, we are talking about $2,652. So imagine you investing $1,000 in a software where you're gonna have the benefits to learn how to deal with platform and trading. You're gonna be learning, and you receive profits from the company. And you paid $1,000 in the software, and you're gonna receive $2,652 in a year time. Now let's talk about Trader Gold Plus. That is the best package and the best software that we have as well. The Trader Gold Plus, you will pay $1,996, right? Company will pay you 50% of 340 points. So that means $170 per week. Times 52 weeks, we're talking about $8,840. If we divide that per month, we're talking about that we're gonna receive $736 every single month for 12 months. So this company, besides being a company where you're gonna learn how to do investments inside Betfair platform, how to work with trading, company will bring you a benefit for a year time, okay? Let's keep in mind that we need to pay an activation fee to this system. This activation fee costs $50 a month. Doesn't matter which package you have. For you to have these benefits, you need to be active. So it costs $50 a month. Okay. Here we have the D9 system bonus. Okay. Direct referral. Here it shows you the trader start, how much when you pay the start, how many points it will generate in your account. So let's think this way. I joined the company and I am doing all the courses, all the lessons that the company is teaching us. But I know someone that wants to join the company and do the same thing that I'm doing. So when I bring someone to the company, I'm going to receive percentages depending which package I have. So let's say that I am Trader Gold and I have 340 points, okay, because I am a Trader Gold. So let's say I brought someone to the company and this person bought the silver package. So I'm going to receive 50% from 185 points. And if I was a Trader Bronze, I was going to receive 30% from his 185 points. So pretty much that's how it works. Once you have become an affiliate, you have the possibility of referring people, and those indicates by purchasing the packs Trade Bronze above. It gains can be 30% to 50% of the points. The gain difference depends on your pack purchase. Okay, guys? Here we got some examples. John, that is this guy right here, he has the package Trader Bronze. And this other guy right here, Peter. Peter, he bought the Trader Gold package. Because John, he was a Trader Bronze, he receives 30% from the package that Peter purchased. So that means 102 points. Each point is $1. So you're talking about $102 that received just because Peter, he purchased the package. We have another example right here. And on this example, we have Peter that bought the Trader Gold. And we have Chico. This is a Brazilian name, so it will be a bit complicated for some of you guys to pronunciate. Chico, he bought Trader Gold. And Peter is a Trader Gold as well. A Trader Gold, that costs $1,000, represents $340. Both of them has the same package. Because Peter has the package, the Trader Gold, he will receive 50% from the package that Chico is purchasing. That is 170 points. That is $170. So the direct referral on this company, it is amazing. But it's based on the package that you have it when you bring in someone to the company. Okay, guys? Direct referral. This is the second term of direct referral. It's indirect. It's when you bring someone to the company and this person will bring somebody else. So let's say I brought Peter to the company. Peter brought John. John brought Marcos. So I'm going to be receiving a percentage from the persons that the other people brought to the company up to the level 6. Okay? So let's say if I am a Trader Bronze, I'm going to receive for 3 levels. If I'm a Trader Silver, for 4 levels. And if I am a Trader Gold or Gold Plus, I'm going to receive for 6 levels, going from 11 to 15%. Once you have become an affiliate, you have the possibility of referring people. And those indicators indicating other purchasing the pack trades bronze above. Each pack has a level of depth. It can be from 5 to 15% of the points. The gain differs depending on the packages on your purchase pack. What does that mean? It means that if you are a Trader Gold, you're going to receive for more levels than the Trader Bronze. Simple as that. Okay, guys? Here we have the binary. Company calls binary as a balancing bonus. Here they have a little example. Why a little example? To make things clear from the beginning. On the left, let's say John. John has on the left 2 guys with Trader Gold, and one guy with trader bronze. And on the right, he has two guys with trader bronze, a trader gold, and one guy with trader silver. So that means on this side, the total of points is 765, and on the right side, 865. The company will always pay the short side, the side that has less people. Okay, guys? On the example on the left, on the right, you can see calculating of earning each. Trader start. If you just purchase that little package, the start, that costs $50, and you have this under your network, you brought this many people under yourself, you are qualified, because for you to qualify yourself, you need two directs, one on the right and one on the left. Okay, this is pretty basic. For you to participate in this, you need two directs. So let's say right here, you are a trader start and you pay $50, and you have this under your network, you would be receiving 76. If you are a trader bronze, you would be receiving 20% of these points. That will be 153. If you are a silver, you would be receiving 30% of these points. And if you are gold, and gold plus 40%, that is 360. So pretty much you can see, for you to have more benefits with this company, if you have the bigger package, you're going to receive more benefits than the others. Of course, you're going to have more lessons, more softwares, you're going to have more benefits, and in the compensation plan, you're going to receive more benefits as well. Okay, guys? So binary, it's very simple. Every time company will match both sides, and the side that you have less points, it's the side that the company will be paying you based on the package that you have. Residual of monthly activation. Remember that the company has a monthly activation, the $50 that you have to pay every single month. Doesn't matter each package you have? Yes, okay. So, company will pay you benefits from this. The $50 activation represents 20 points. So if you have, if you brought John to the company will pay 10% from John's money, from his activation. Then John brought Peter. Peter, you're going to receive 7% from Peter's activation. And Peter brought Marcus. You're going to receive 7%. If it's $50, the activation, you're going to receive $5 from Peter right here on the first level. And the percentage representing each percentage from each level. If you are a gold or gold plus, of course, you're going to receive 4 more levels. Going from 10 to 40%. So it is pretty big, the percentages that we have right here. Okay, guys? I believe you can see and you can notice that the company will be paying you very good if you bring other students to the company. Right here, we have residual monthly activation. All right? It's just a demonstration of what I just explained. Here, let's give you an example. On your first level, if you have 5 guys, from these 5 guys, you receive $2 per person. So imagine $2 per person. Just making a correction. I say $5 on the previous slide. It is $2. Okay, 10% from 20 points. It's $2, not $5. I'm sorry. So right here, you have 5 affiliates receiving from each one $2, total of $10. On your second level, if you got, we are multiplying 5 times 5 right here. Okay, guys? So on the second level, you got 25 guys receiving $1.40. That means 35. If you go all the way down the line, imagine how much you can be receiving every single month. So it's not bad. And we are not just talking about the people that you brought to the company, but the people that you brought and the people that they brought and the other one brought to the company. So the network will grow a lot just if you have a good team. Right here, we're going to have residual DLD9. Okay, what does that mean? Remember that the company said that they will be paying a percentage based on the package that you have. Example, if you are a trader bronze up to gold, the company will be paying 15% from the points that you have. And if you're a Trader Gold Plus, the company will be paying 50%. So let's say Trader Gold, the company pays $51 every week. And the Trader Gold Plus, the company pays $170. So I'm going to be receiving percentage from people that are under my network from the weekly money that they receive. Did you guys ever see such a thing? I didn't. And that's one of the things that made me amazed with this company. So based on the package that you're going to be receiving these percentages. Okay, guys? Here we have a little example. On my first level, let's say that these 5 guys, they receive $100 a week. Okay? So that means I'm going to receive $15 from these guys. On my second level, if I have 25 guys receiving $100 a week, I'm going to receive $50 a week, not a month, a week. That means if my network is pretty good and I got lots of people working under me, I can have a residual weekly of 19,000 or more. There's no limits on this. Okay, guys? Then we got right here something that is for people that likes to work and be recognized. And I believe every work should be recognized. Career plan. Company will be giving bonuses and showing you their appreciation with their compensation, with their career plan, and giving you lots of gifts. If you are a supporter, you just need to be qualified for binary. That means you need to have one person on the right and one person on the left. Okay? Minimum trader bronze. You cannot just be a star. Then you're gonna receive a pin and a kit D91. A D91 kit, it's a surprise, guys. A player, it's when you reach 608 points on your lower leg. What does that mean, lower leg? It just means that you have left and right on your network. The side that you have less people, it's called your lower leg. So the lower leg, it's the side where the company will be counting. It doesn't matter if it's just you that brought the people to the company or no, but it's the total amount under you, the people working under yourself. Then you got player with 680 points. That means 2 persons with $1,000, 608 points. You got captain with 6,800 100 points. 10 persons under yourself, you receive a watch. 17,000 points, it's about 20 people under you, you're going to receive an iPhone. Then we start to grow with points, and you're going to receive better gifts from the company. 35,000 points, you receive a cruise and a pin. 170,000 points, you're going to receive an international travel. As a director, 340,000 points, you're going to receive a Honda Fit. Wait a second. Let's stop there for a second. If I have 1,000 people, 1,000 students under my my lower leg, with packages of 1,000, I'm going to receive a car. This is amazing, guys. It is a career plan that you can reach. It's not something illusional. It is something real. If you reach 510,000 points, you can choose between a Corolla or a Honda Civic. Then we start to get very serious. 150,000 points. You become a vice president with a Mercedes or a BMW. And when you reach 1,530,000 points, you receive a Range Rover Evoque. Okay, we are talking about big numbers right here. But for you to receive big gifts, big recognition, you need to have big work. Okay, guys? So this is D9. This is the compensation. What do you want to be? That guy that is looking for money, or that investor? The guy that invests on his education, the guy that learns how to work with trade, makes money on the side, and makes money with the company.